Got it on Amazon Prime, so it came within 2 days. Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Woo-wee! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you can see, I am unboxing the unit from Amazon from Unice Hair. And in this clip, I am showing you the inside of the wig. You guys, it comes with adjustable straps. And then now I'm showing you the, what do you call it? The things that I bleached the knots with. And then I'm spraying my lace with Got To Be glue. And then I've started adding the bleach on the lace. And I spray my lace, you guys, so I can try to avoid over bleaching the knots. But as you know in this video, I did it anyway. I think my problem was I didn't let the spray dry before I started applying the bleach on it. So that's what I'm doing currently right now. Then I use aluminum foil to speed up the drying process. And I believe I leave it for, even though my timer it says 10 minutes, I believe I left it for like 20 or 30 minutes. And then after that, I wash off the bleach and I use my Shimmer Lights shampoo to get rid of any type of brassiness that may occur on my bleach. And then, yeah, just check it out. I continue to rinse. And then I decided afterwards to tint my lace. And you guys, I tint my lace with tea bags. Yes, it's a trick. And I learned it, of course, on YouTube. And so I just insert the lace in the tea bags and I let that sit for about 20 minutes. And that's what I'm showing you right now. And then, yep, I'm done with tinting it. Then I condition it with my Pantene conditioner, you guys. I love this stuff, and I just soak my hair in this, and then I just, of course, run it through. As you can see, my makeup brushes, I'm cleaning everything today. And so, yeah, I realized that I over bleached my knot. So what I'm showing you right now is the semi-permanent black dye. And I'm using my little spoolie and the hair brush. And I'm showing you the knots and how I over bleached it really badly, you guys. It's horrible. It's horrible. And so, yeah, I'm taking a little bit of that dye out. I'm taking a little bit of my spoolie. And I slowly coated the hair with the black dye, and that's how I was able to cover up the over bleached knots, you guys. It was so simple. I am so happy I learned this little technique on YouTube. And so, yeah. And now you see me cutting off the lace. I have installed it on my head. It's glueless, you guys. I didn't use any type of adhesive or anything like that. So I cut the lace off, and right now I'm just checking out the parting area. I decide to use my Jamaican black castor oil, my edge gel to kind of fix up my edges on the side a little bit. And then I'm using the residue of that to try to create not necessarily baby hairs, but just something, you know, like a little swoop. And so, yeah, I'm trying to decide which way I'm going to wear my hair at this point. And so I decide on, of course, wearing it to like the side. And I decide to also moisturize my hair with a little bit of water and conditioner. That's what you saw me spraying, you guys. It was just water and a slight conditioner. Trying to fix the edges of the unit. So I'm not really trying to create baby hairs. Maybe kind of just like a slick back type of look. So yeah, that's what I'm currently doing right now. And I love it. So hope you enjoy it.
Whew, you guys, wow, 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 wow. Woo-wee. This hair has taken me through the ringer. If you don't know, if you don't know, you better ask somebody. Girl, I did everything to this unit I showed you in this video. I bleached the knots. I over bleached the knots, I tinted the lace, I fixed my over bleached knots, you guys. I did everything to this unit, you guys. And it came pretty decent looking anyway, but I wanted to kind of play around with it and practice bleaching knots. And of course, I messed up big time, but I learned how to fix that mess up, and I think it came out beautifully, you guys. This looks really good. Okay, I hope it's translating on camera what I'm seeing in person. You guys, I got this from Amazon. What? I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Okay, and it wasn't that much. I pay for all of my units, if you didn't know. If you're new to my channel and you think that I am being sent all this hair that I review, I pay for my units. So you know that my opinion is pretty valid because I pay for them. It's the Unice Hair Betty U Series Brazilian Curly Lace Front Human Hair Wig, 100% unprocessed. It's 130% density. It's pre-plucked, as you can see. All right, with baby hair, and it is 14 inches. You guys, I didn't pay that much for it. I only paid like $100, $103 for this unit. And of course, I got it on Amazon Prime, so it came within 2 days. Hello? I got the idea of purchasing this unit from a YouTuber. It's actually a YouTuber and her twin sister. I think they're called Twin Goddesses, and they do a lot of hair reviews, wig reviews, and they did a series on units that they purchased on Amazon. So I, of course, investigated some more, and I came across this lovely thing. I'm just loving the curl pattern. I'm loving the pre-pluckedness, and I'm wearing it like as a glueless lace front, you guys. If I wanted to, I can glue it down with like my got-to-be glue or something, but I don't typically glue my units down. I typically wear them glueless because I don't like my units to be on my hair for 24/7. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. I am in love with it. Okay. So when I was washing it, it did not shed, like a couple of strands here or there. It started shedding a little bit right now because of the way, of course, I cut my lace. And it's curly hair, so you're really not supposed to mess with it like I'm messing with it. So I can't tell you if it tangles. Again, like I said, I did everything to this unit, you guys. I co-washed it. I did everything to this unit, and I really, really like the outcome. I am so happy. All right, so if you have any questions about this unit, please don't forget to leave them down below. Also, I'll leave all information down below in the description bar. Thank you so much for stopping by. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.